Hi, it's Angeline here. Do you like making shaker cards? Because here's another video of me making one, but with rainbow glitters. So first I for this stamp, then colored this cute Phyllis stamp with some Copic markers. I've also created the glow around the candle just to add some interest. And I've die cut out this stripe die with some cardstock, and I've already adhered all my foam tape behind. For the thin sides, I'm using this Darice thin foam tape, which works great for shaker cards as well. Then I'm grabbing a piece of acetate to put right in front of this piece so that all the glitter will not fall out during the shaking process. And you can also use any plastic packagings that you have. Here I'm using this clear glue from Thermoweb to adhere my piece of acetate. Now it's time to add the glitter. So before you do anything, grab some glitter. Here I'm using the American Crafts Wild Glitter in all multicolors. And I'm just doing according to the packaging, the rainbow colors, starting from the top to the bottom. And I'm mixing different kinds of glitter particles here so that it will create more interest. Do remember not to add too much glitter because you would still want to be able to shake them up inside your card. And it is kind of a little messy now, but it will turn out really pretty in the end, trust me. So once you're done adding all the glitter, just give it a nice shake and just flatten up everything, clean out all the glitter, and it's time to remove all the adhesive. Next, grab your card base and just place it right on top of that piece, and voila! Here is your shaker rainbow glitter card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!